Hello everyone, I am Gabriel Diandrea Trijanto. First of all, I want to thank Miss D for being such a warm and helpful lecturer. At the beginning of the semester, I mentioned that this class was not actually my first choice. The class I initially wanted was already full, so I ended up taking English for public speaking. At that time, I didn't realize how important this class would be. But now, I have no regrets at all. Since I was young, I've always been cheerful and talkative. I love talking to others, even to people I don't know. However, when I was in junior high school, I started to feel insecure and overthink whether my talkativeness bothered others. But after some self-reflection, I began to see this trait as a gift that I could develop, including through public speaking. Since then, I've joined various activities, such as leadership retreats, events committees, MC duties, leading organization, and even working part-time as a campus representative where I had to speak and present information to students and parents. Even though I've spoken in public many times, I realized that I had never actually learned how to be a proper public speaker. This made me feel that the full class I wanted at the beginning of the semester was actually a way for me to discover this opportunity to learn more about public speaking. Public speaking is an important skill that I need to keep learning and practicing. Plus, since this class is taught in English, I could improve both my public speaking and English skills at the same time. That's why I hope to develop these skills further through this class. After attending this class, I realized that I didn't only learn about public speaking techniques. I learned many things, including about not being afraid to make mistakes. I used to fear mispronouncing words or using the wrong grammars when speaking in English. But Miss D always reminded us that we don't need to be perfect and that making mistakes is the part of learning process. Miss D always appreciates the effort we put into this class and even the smallest improvement we've made during the semester. Her support made me feel encouraged and reminded me that small progress also matters. I am also grateful that my classmates had the chance to give feedbacks during our presentation. Their comment helped me see things I hadn't noticed before. And because of their feedbacks, I now understand which areas I still need to improve and how I can keep developing my public speaking skills. From the feedback I learned, I realized that I still get nervous when speaking in front of the class because I'm still afraid of making mistakes. I still stutter quite a lot and struggle to stay relaxed. I am also still rely too much on the text on my phone. So, when I misread something, all of my preparation can fall apart during my presentation. I also need to smile more and make eye contact with the audience so they feel more connected with me. This class made me aware that public speaking requires confidence, good body language, appropriate voice control, stage presence, and many other important skills. That's why, after this class ends, I hope to continue practicing so I can become more fluent and comfortable in public speaking, especially in English. I think that's all I would like to share in this speech. Once again, thank you very much, Miss D, for guiding me throughout this semester. See you again, though definitely not in the same class. Bye!